How did ancient Romans cook their food without gas, without electricity, and without modern kitchens? They used clay stoves, simple hearths, and wood fires, burning slowly beneath heavy clay pots. These stoves were not just for heat, they controlled fire smoke and flavor-giving meals a unique taste. Food was placed in clay pots set carefully above glowing embers, not direct flames. Bread, soups, stews, and vegetables were all cooked using this simple method, yet somehow the flavors were rich and deeply satisfying. But here is something to wonder about. How did they manage to cook evenly without modern thermometers or metal stoves? Some historians believe the secret was patience and careful attention to the fire. The clay pots absorbed heat, slowly helping food cook perfectly, while the wood smoke added flavor no modern tools could replicate. And imagine the smells filling the air of a Roman home. The smell of baking bread, the smoke of simmering stews, all coming from these humble clay stoves. Could you imagine cooking every meal this way, day after day, using only fire, clay, and simple utensils? So tell me in the comments, would you try cooking like this and taste history firsthand?